Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's topic is about lymphatic system of human body. First, we discuss about what is the lymphatic system. Your lymphatic system is the network of organs, vessels and tissues that work together to move a colorless watery fluid, which is known as lymph, back into your circulatory system. As a vital part of your immune system, your lymphatic system protects you from infections and destroys old or abnormal cells. Your body doesn't need. Lymphatic system functions also includes maintaining normal fluid levels in your body and absorbing fats and fat soluble vitamins so they can make their way into your bloodstream. Let's talk about what does the lymphatic system do in your body. Your lymphatic system has many functions. Its key functions are as follows: collecting excess fluid from your body's tissue and returning it to your bloodstream. This supports healthy fluid levels in your body. Your lymphatic system also filters out waste products and abnormal cells from this fluid, helping your body absorb fats. Most nutrients can travel through tiny openings, pores in the walls, in your capillaries, and your body can absorb and use them. But certain fats and other molecules are too large to travel in this way. Your lymphatic system collects fluid from your intestines that contains protecting your these molecules and transport it back to your bloodstream, protecting your body against invaders. Your lymphatic system is part of your immune system. It produces and realize lymphocytes, a type of white blood cells, and other immune cells. These cells look fungi. They may enter your body. Let's talk about how does the lymphatic system works. Every day about 20 liters of plasma flow out of tiny pores in the thin walls of your capillaries. Imagine water seeping out of sponge. Where does this liquid go? It delivers oxygen and nutrients to the tissue. Surrounding each capillary, the tissue hungrily soak up all the nutrients while leaving behind the waste. The plasma doesn't mind cleaning up the mess. It picks up the waste and then returns to your bloodstream the same way it came by, flowing back through the pores in your capillary walls. Each day about 70 liters of plasma returns to your bloodstream. In this way, since 20 liters of initially flowed out of your capillary walls, they means 3 liters are still roaming around your body tissues. That's where your lymphatic system steps in. Tiny lymphatic capillaries pick up this remaining fluid, your tissues. The fluid changed its name during its journey. Now instead of plasma, it's called as lymph. Your lymphatic capillaries move the lymph into larger tubes called as lymphatic vessels. These vessels keep the lymph moving until it ultimately reaches one of the two major ducts. In your upper chest, there are called your right lymphatic duct and thoracic duct. They are a bit like highway on ramps. They merge into large veins called your subclavian veins and empty the lymph into them. From there, your lymph re-enters your bloodstream, can flow through your body again. Let's talk about the organ of lymphatic systems. First one is a bone marrow. This is the soft and spongy tissue in the center of your certain bones, like your hip bones, back bones, and breastbone. Your bone marrow has a vital job to making white blood cells, red blood cells, and platelets. Next one is a thymus. This organ is located in your upper chest beneath your breastbone, and it's most active before puberty. It's where T cells fully mature. T cells help your body fight off invaders. Next one are the lymph nodes. Lymph nodes are being shaped glands that monitor and cleanse lymph as it filters through them. They clear out damaged cells and cancer cells. Your lymph nodes also stores lymphocytes and other immune system cells that attack and destroy harmful substances like bacteria. You have about 600 lymph nodes scattered throughout your body. Some are closely connected in groups called chains. You may be able to feel some lymph nodes through your skin in areas like your armpit, groin, or neck. Others are deeper inside your body. Spleen. This is largest lymphatic organ is located on your left side under your ribs and above your stomach. Your spleen filters your blood and removes cells that are old or not working properly. It also keeps red blood cells and platelets available in case your body needs them. Mucosa associated lymphoid tissues, MALT. This mucous membrane exists throughout your body in many important locations. For example, it lines your tonsils, airways, small intestine, and appendix. MALT looks like destroy germs that could harm you. Let's talk about what are the other parts of lymphatic system. Our lymphatic system is big team. Other key players include your lymph. Lymph, also called as lymphatic fluid, is a collection of extra fluid that drains from the cells and tissues in your body and isn't reabsorbed into your capillaries. Lymph contains many different substances including proteins, minerals, fats, damaged cells, cancer cells, and germs. Lymph also transports infection fighting white WBCs. Lymphatic vessels. Lymphatic vessels are the tubes that form a complex network throughout your body. The smallest tubes are lymphatic capillaries, which ultimately connect to larger tubes that lead to two main ducts in your upper chest. The pulsing of nearby arteries and squeezing of nearby muscles help to fluid move through your lymphatic vessels. These vessels contain one-way valves that keep lymph moving the right way. Next one are the collecting ducts. Two main ducts in your upper chest empty lymph into your subclavian veins. These are your right lymphatic duct and thoracic duct. These ducts are highway on ramp, emerging points where lymph rejoins your bloodstream. Next one are the tonsils and adenoids. These structures trap pathogens from the food you eat and the air you take in. They are part of your body's first line of defense against invaders. Your tonsils are in the back of your throat. Your adenoids are just behind your nasal cavity but are only active during childhood. What is the conditions and disorders affect the lymphatic system? Many conditions can affect the various parts of your lymphatic system. Some happen during development, before birth, or during childhood. Others develop as a result of disease or injury. Some common diseases and disorders about lymphatic system are as follow. First one is the swollen lymph nodes. Infection, inflammation, and cancer cause swollen enlarged lymph nodes. Common infection that can cause enlarged lymph nodes include strep throat, mononucleosis, HIV, and infected skin wounds. Lymphangitis refers to lymphadenopathy that's caused by infection or inflammatory conditions. Next one is the swelling or accumulation of fluid. A blockage in your lymphatic system due to scar tissue from damaged lymph vessels or nodes can cause lymphoma. It also happens when your lymph nodes have been removed to treat a conditions like cancer. With lymphedema, Fluid most commonly builds you up in your arms or legs. It can be very mild or quite painful and disabling. People with lymphedema are at risk for serious and potentially life-threatening deep infections. The cancer of lymphatic system, lymphoma, is a cancer of lymph nodes that occurs when lymphocytes grow and multiply uncontrollably. There are several different types of lymphoma, including Hodgkin's lymphoma and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. Cancerous tumors can also block lymphatic ducts or near lymph nodes and interfere with the flow through the nodes. Lymphangitis. This is inflammation of your lymph vessels. Lymphanemia. This is condition that you are born with. It involves presence of non-cancerous fluid-filled bumps, cysts under your skin due to overgrown lymph vessels. Intestinal loss of lymph tissue in your small intestine leads to loss of protein, gamma globulins, albumins, and lymphocytes. Lymphocytosis. With this condition, there is a higher than normal amount of lymphocytes in your body. Lymphatic filariasis. This is a parasitic infection that causes the lymphatic system to malfunction. Castleman disease. Castleman disease involves an overgrowth of cells in your body's lymphatic system. Lymphangiomyositis. This is rare disease in which abnormal muscle-like cells begins to grow out of control your lungs, lymph nodes and kidney. Autoimmune syndrome. This is rare genetic disorder in which there is a high number of lymphocytes in your lymph nodes, liver and spleen. Mesenteric lymphangitis. This is inflammation of the lymph nodes in your belly. That's about the human lymphatic system. Thank you.